Okay, kids, let's revise some vocabulary. Point and say. So I'm going to point to a picture and you say, what job is that? For example, scientist. Ready? Okay. Vet. Police officer. Musician. Farmer. Waiter or waitress. Bus driver. Actor or actress. Firefighter. Chef. Mechanic. Singer. Okay, did you remember all the jobs? Good. Scientist, farmer, firefighter, police officer, waiter or waitress, actor or actress, mechanic, musician, chef, vet, singer, bus driver. What's your favorite job? What's your favorite job? My favorite job is actor or actress. And yours?